When I'm putting together initiatives and working with my clients, I like to think of the domino framework when it comes to initiatives. What must come first? What will that lead to? And what will that lead to? So let me give you an example. One of my clients wanted to improve field productivity and tasked one of their direct reports with the rally cry of implement training. And the initiatives to achieve the rally cry were, number one, build the skill matrix. In other words, clearly write down what each person needs to achieve in order to be well trained. So build the skill matrix. The second initiative was pick the training. And the third initiative was schedule the training. Nothing super complicated, nothing unachievable, but directionally correct. And you notice the domino effect there, right? Build the skill matrix, then based on the skill matrix, pick the training. And then after you've picked the training, schedule the training.